the whole village. So sure.
Let me tell you, maybe like how you stay, but maybe the part of Uganda where I come from, which is Mbarara. The second biggest city to Kampala. You just go, buy a car, you put it in your garage. Tomorrow morning you find it has no tires.
Yeah?
In your garage?
In your garage, personal garage.
The windscreen, they used to steal those very much indeed.
It is so easy for people to come and steal fixed things. But what I know in Rwanda we are a bit safe. They cannot steal your car, but they can steal your drum.
So these are petty thieves, not gangsters.
They cannot come and steal cars, motorcycles.
Yeah, they do. They steal.
They motorcycles.
Yes, they do.
But cars they don't.
They've done it soon after the war because there were many NGOs cars. They used to steal those.
But what about now? In 2000?
No, 97.
That was 97. But after 2000,
no way.
You just go and park your car just there. Tomorrow you will find. Okay, maybe it has no side mirror, but you will find your car.
Okay. But there somebody just drives the walker. It seems that was masterminded by the insurgents in the army.